every cell in your body, you have 9 bacteria or fungi cells living on your skin or in your gut. Many of these microorganisms help us to digest food and stop infections from developing. In some cases, they can even influence the way our brain functions. Scientists are now investigating the role bacteria play in neurological disorders like depression, anxiety, and autism, and how at a molecular level, bacteria can cause these behavioral changes. At Griffith University, we are exploring how certain types of bacteria affect signaling chemicals in the brain called neurotransmitters. We're trying to understand what influence this has on sleep and aggression behaviors. Identifying which bacteria can cause these behaviors and understanding how these changes occur at a molecular scale could lead to the development of new treatments for neurological disease.